Martha Hendrick Realty, Bend, Oregon. Today I'd like to talk about closing cost of a real estate transaction. If I ask you, what are closing costs? What would you expect? Would that be just the title officer's fees when you get the transaction closed? They're the objective third party who works with both the buyer and the seller and realtor or realtors who are involved. Would it be a loan origination fee by your lender if you're not paying cash? Absolutely. So I want to make sure you understand there is an application fee that's charged by the lender to offset the fixed cost of his getting you the loan approval. The closing fee is by the closing company, the title company, who prepares the documents and closes the loan on behalf of the lender. Commitment fee. This is often called an origination fee. That's the way we mostly hear it here in Bend. Funding fees, normally applicable to VA transactions only. Homeowners insurance is required. A 1-year premium is due in advance at the time of the closing. This is an important part, prepayables. The lender, because he wants to understand that in your impound account or your escrow account, you have plenty of money to pay for forthcoming taxes and information for the mortgage, that funds are collected from you at the time of closing for one, prepaid interest that accumulates on the mortgage loan, the escrow account such as real estate taxes, hazard insurance, flood insurance, mortgage insurance, and assessments, for instance, if you're in an HOA. So they will collect a formula or an initial amount of these, and a portion of your regular monthly payment will be added to the reserve account. So this is often called a reserve account, an impound account, or an escrow account. So it just assures the lender that you have funds available. The processing fee. Everybody likes to be paid for the work that they do. So a processing fee is a fee charged by the escrow processor, either working for the escrow company, the title company, or the real estate company for administrative services performed. Survey fee. Title insurance, that's very important, provides protection for the lenders and the homeowners against financial loss resulting from legal defects in the title. For homeowners to be covered, they have to buy coverage. So title insurance is something that you want to be careful about, that you do have it on your loan transaction. And your lender will prepare a good faith estimate of cost. Prior to the closing, your realtor would guide you and give you estimates of what, once the seller negotiates a price with you, what the closing costs will be. Your down payment will be extracted from that amount, and that's the amount that you will either take your cashier's check or your personal check to the title company for closing and recording. When do you get the keys to the property? When your property is recorded at the county courthouse. It can typically happen the same day if you sign the docs in the morning and your funds are wired. It can be a joyful time. I love getting to the home and handing the homeowners the key for the first time. Happy shopping and happy buying.